How do you play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on guitar? Well, I'll answer that question in this video. I'll also provide you with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star guitar tabs. Finally, I have a free bonus if you stick around to the end of the video. Hello and welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. I created the Rock Dojo to share the positive power of rock guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on one string, which means this is the perfect guitar lesson for any kid just getting started playing. I want to send a special shout out to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me share the positive power of rock guitar. If you're not part of that community, then hit the subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, all played on the low E string. The first part goes 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. Looks and sounds like this. Then we end that phrase with 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, open. From there, it's 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2. Repeat 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2. And then we end with the phrase we started with, open, open, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. Five, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, open. I forgot about that. Let's put it all together and play it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star on the low E string. I know you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the link in the description below to get your free guitar course for kids. If you have a question about this video or learning how to play guitar, then please let me know in the comments section below. I just might turn your question into a future video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of any future content. And remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!